Source.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Saurabh. Banerjee. कलकत्ता।
Hare Krishna,
आप लोग कहाँ से?
Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama,
मैंगलोर।
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna,
ये स्ट्रीम कनेक्ट क्यों नहीं हो रहा? देखिए इधर तो हो गया, इधर यूट्यूब लाइव, इधर क्यों नहीं दिखा रहा? मैं आपको एक मैं देखता हूँ, कोशिश करता हूँ। पुराना वाला कल से लगा दे, कल वाले से हम लोग एक बार आना पड़ेगा तो पूरी तरीके से।
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
ये वाला आप जो भेज
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Texas Instruments has been advancing space electronics for more than 60 years. From our first steps to the giant leaps in our furthest interstellar voyagers, and for the steps yet to come. We're your partner in engineering the next frontier.
And then once you guys are in your account, you're gonna see this little symbol in the upper right corner says go live. And then when we click on it, we're hit with this, waiting 24 hours. So once you guys have done this, I will see you tomorrow, restart this video from this point, and we can go from there setting it up. Alright, now that we've waited our 24 hours, we are ready to go live with YouTube. But we first need to set this up as well. So in order to set up a camera for recording straight to the internet and streaming, we need to separate it from the NVR, which means that the camera needs to plug into a PoE switch, or it needs to plug into a power adapter and then run to the router. Either way, if the camera is on the NVR, it won't work simply because there are security features built into it, essentially to make the camera invisible to the internet. So live streaming will not be possible from an NVR-based camera. You have to put it on a PoE switch. Okay, so now that we have the YouTube live streaming activated and we have that camera on a PoE switch, I know it's probably a lot, but now we're ready to continue. So we need to log into the camera first and foremost. In order to do this, we need to access the IP address for that camera. So once you guys have everything plugged in, we're going to open up the Interview Go application, and there is a useful tool here to find IP addresses for your guys' cameras and network. So go to the home screen, we're going to click on the plus button in the upper right corner, and then we're going to click on online search. Now this is going to scan your entire network and give you IP addresses for any camera on there, so we just need to identify which one is the camera we're going after. Mark that IP address down, and then we're going to take this IP address and go ahead and log into it via a computer. Now this can be a Mac or a PC, as long as it's connected to the same network that your guys' camera is on, aka the same router, then we're good to go. So once we're on that computer, we're going to open up any web browser you're choosing. We're going to go to the address bar at the very top, and we do not want to do a Google search, but the address bar right up here. And we're going to type in the IP address of that camera. So here I'm going to enter in mine, and once you have that in, just hit enter, and you'll see we're taken to a login screen for this camera. For the username and password, it's likely going to be admin in all lowercase letters, and if your camera was previously on an NVR, it will be the same password that you used to access your NVR, or it's just going to be the same password that you guys have always used for your camera. Alright, now that we're in the camera interface, we're going to go over to setting. It's going to be in the upper right corner. We're going to click on that tab, and once we're in the settings page, we're going to look to the far left, and we're going to click on where it says camera. Underneath that, we are now going to select where it says video. Alright guys, once we're in the video section, there are a few things that we have to change in order to conform the security camera to YouTube standards for live streaming. One of those is the encode mode. This one needs to be switched to H.264. And you can switch this for both mainstream and substream, however, you're only going to be using one of these to stream live. The next thing we need to change is the encoding strategy. We're essentially turning off smart codec. So here we're going to select this and turn it to general. The last thing we have here is the to have on this page enable, and then we're going to Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Rama. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Rama.
Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama
कुछ तो है NVR स्विच और PoE स्विच। वो बोल रहे हैं कि NVR स्विच में अगर NVR पोर्ट में डाला हुआ है तो सब हो जाएगा, बट वो स्ट्रीम जाएगा नहीं क्योंकि वो सिक्योरिटी मेजर है। तो वो बोल रहे हैं कि PoE पोर्ट में डालना है पीछे DVR का या राउटर का। मैं वही सर्च कर रहा हूँ क्या वो कहाँ पे कैसा। लेकिन कल तो हम लोग वो वाले वीडियो कैमरा से दिखा रहे थे।
नहीं ये अभी कल उसके बाद भी लाइव है ना शाम में।
उसके बाद तो
शाम में लाइव
ये कैमरा से कभी लाइव नहीं हुआ है ना।
Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare
तो फिर अभी क्यों नहीं हो रहा? पूरा तो सेट है, यहाँ पे दिखा रहा है चल रहा है, यहाँ पे 12 मिनट चल रहा है, बट
Hare Krishna Krishna Krishna
पूरा रिसेट करेगा पूरा
Hare Rama
पहले
Rama Rama
आईपी आपको उसका पासवर्ड है एडमिन एट रिलेबल 12
Hare Krishna
admin और reliable 12।
Hare Rama
वो रणजीत है ना
Rama Rama
इसको कॉल करो,
पासवर्ड का पता है।
वो आएगा क्या?
नहीं वो आएगा नहीं, वो बताएगा आपको पासवर्ड।
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.
Copy the live stream key.
Rama Rama.
Going back to the web page for the camera, we're going to go into the custom address bar. We're going to select our cursor at the very end of what we just pasted in. Now I'd like you guys to put in a /, looks like this. Then we're going to paste that stream into this box. So,
Hare Rama, Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Rama.
ultimately, you'll have the stream URL, a /, and likely going to be admin, and streaming will not be possible from computer. We're going to open up forms.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, 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 Hare Hare. Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Rama. रीना है मनोज गुप्ता, रीना